Hi and welcome to clickmyproject.com. This video is all about explaining the project description or flow of the module and demo of the project bus reservation. Let's start from the project description. The aim of the project bus reservation is to keep track of the bus detail, fare detail, booked tickets, agent detail and user details. Admin is responsible for creating company details, bus details, fare details and agent details. Admin can add, view, update and delete all about details through online itself. And remaining details like bus ticket and availability bus on user request is done through automation itself. User can register with the site, book tickets periodically and check availability bus seats and cancel the book tickets. The model we proposed on this project includes admin model, user model and the agent model. User and agent can log in through our site and access the service offered by the admin. Let's start from the admin model. Admin can log into our system and can access the service as follows. Admin can view his or her own profile, update their profile and change password periodically for security purpose. Admin is responsible for creating company details, bus details, fare details and agent details. Admin also update, view, delete above details. Admin can view user details who are registered with our system. Admin can view the tickets booked by the users and the agents. Admin have the mail service and Skype service to communicate with the users and the agent. The data flow diagram of the admin is as follows. The next module would be the user module. The user can log in into our system and can access the service offered by the system as follows. The user can view their profile details and update their profile details and change password routinely for security reasons. User can book tickets periodically and check available bus seats and can cancel the booked tickets. The data flow diagram of the user model is shown as below. The next module would be the agent model. The agent can log in into our system and access the service as follows. The agent can view their profile details and update their profile details and change password routinely for security reasons. The agent can register with the site and book tickets periodically and check availability bus seats and can cancel the booked tickets for the users. This project is based on the CMS concept. The data flow diagram for the agent module is as shown below. The flowchart for this project is shown below. Flowchart. So far we have discussed about the project description or flow of the module. Let's start from the demo of the project. The first module would be the admin module. Let's start from the admin module. The username for the admin is admin and the password is 123. By clicking on the sign in button, admin can log in into our system and can access the service offered to him. The first page would be the home page, which contains the profile detail of the user who have logged in. The services offered to the admins are dashboard menu, add detail menu, view detail menu, delete menu, customer menu, ticket menu and the mail menus. By clicking on the dashboard menu, admin can update his profile details and change password. By clicking on the add detail menu, admin can add company details, bus details, agent details and the route details. By clicking on the view details, admin can view the company details, bus detail, agent detail and the route details. For example, route details. By clicking on the delete detail menu, admin can delete the details which have already been added by him. He can delete the company details, bus details, agent details and the route details. For example, bus details. By clicking on the delete icon in the action column, it produces an alert messages. Are you sure you want to delete? By clicking on the OK button, the entered data will be deleted. By clicking on the cancel button, the delete operation will be cancelled. Next menu will be the customer menu. By clicking on this customer menu, admin can view all the registered user details and he can also delete the registered user details from the system. By clicking on the ticket menu, admin can view all the book tickets by the agent as well as from the user. Admin can also delete the tickets by clicking on the delete ticket. Admin has a service for mail service to communicate with user and the agent. By clicking on the logout button, admin can log out from our system and can return to the home page. The next page would be the user module. The username for the user is Ravi and the password is 123. By clicking on the sign in button, the user can log in into our system and access the service offered to him. The first page would be the home page, which contains a profile detail of the user. The service offered to the users are dashboard menu, check available bus menu, book tickets menu, ticket details menu, and the mail menu. By clicking on the dashboard menu, the user can update his own profile and change password periodically for security reasons. By clicking on the check available bus menu, the user can check the available bus. By clicking on the book details menu, the user can book tickets for his journey. By clicking on the ticket details, the user can view the ticket details which had already been booked by him. The user has a mail service to communicate with the admin or other users. By clicking on the logout button, the user can log out from our system and return to the home page. The next module would be the agent module. The username for the agent is A01 and the password is 123. By clicking on the sign in button, the agent can log in into our system and access the service offered to him. The first page would be the home page, which contains the detail of the profile detail of the agent who logged in. The services offered to the agents are dashboard menu, check available bus menu, book tickets menu, and ticket detail menus, and mail menu. By clicking on the dashboard menu, the agent can update their own profile and change password periodically for security reasons. By clicking on the check available bus, the agent can check the available bus on the day. By clicking on the book ticket menu, the agent can book tickets for the users. By clicking on the ticket details menu, the agent can view the past tickets which has been already booked by him. By clicking on the cancel tickets menu, the agent can cancel the booked tickets. By clicking on the mail menu, the agent can communicate with the users or admin using compose mail and inbox mail. By clicking on the logout button, the agent can log out from our system and return to the home page. Thank you for watching this video.